In this video, we are going to discuss about the activities involved in the access management. So, what are the activities? The activities are request access, which is users can request access via request for change or service request or request fulfillment or help desk menu. Coming to verify user identity, access management team ensures that users are who they say and they have legitimate requirement for service. That means this step, verify user identity, the access management team will verify that the user is a manager or a team leader or an employee or a subordinate in a particular project, and also see that they have a legitimate requirement of the service which needs to access provided to them. Provide rights, access team provides the rights to user as per policies of the organization. So, based on the verify user identity step, the providing access to the users also comes into the picture here based on the policies of the organization. Monitor identity status, monitor users identity status, their change of roles, expiry of valid account, etc. So, here the monitor identity status will monitor the identity status of the user and also look after the change of their roles and also expiry of their accounts. So, coming to log and track the accesses, ensure that the accesses are logged and data is maintained as per the organization policies. Revoke or restrict access. So, based on the log and track of the access, they revoke or restrict access or modify the rights as per the user status and also as per directed by the policies. In the next video, we will be discussing about the metrics involved in access management and also roles and responsibilities involved in access management.